How to see send friend request on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can see your send friend request on Facebook, or how you can see the friend request that you have sent on Facebook. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. What you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook. You should get an interface like this, right? Next thing, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen that you can see below the messenger icon. Once you do so, you should be headed to this page. On this page, you want to scroll down, and under all shortcuts you'll find the option friends. Now you want to tap on this friend shortcuts here. You'll be able to see your friend request that you have received here, right? Now what you want to do is you want to tap on see all option that you can see at the right hand side beside the friend request option. Simply tap on see all and you'll be able to see all the friend requests that you have received. Now in order to see the friend request that you have sent, simply tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on view sent request, and you'll be able to see your sent request. So this way you can view or see your sent friend request on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.